Whew. Does that feel good? Yeah. Oh my goodness. What are we doing? Yeah. We're outside. Oh, it's our pretty girl. It's like, Mom, it's my first day out in the spring. We're in the backyard. Oh, one day we're going to have an aviary out here for you. Yes. One day we're gonna. Mama picked up all the doo-doo unless there's any fresh stuff. Yes. We got some flowers coming up. Should we check them out? Yeah. There's some of our flowers. Probably can't see them, but see? Right down there, some flowers coming up. There. Over there. Lewis is like, oh my God, I don't know what to think of all this, Mom. I know. I got your leash on you. You can never be too careful. She's never really flown, but off of things. But you can't take the chance with predators or with, she couldn't survive up here if she got loose. So we gotta be protective. Yes, we gotta be protective, don't we, Lewis? She's like, yes, Mom. I don't know what to think. She can feel the breeze. The breeze is blowing. The breeze is blowing. She wants to fly. But I got her. I got her right here. And she's not happy about that, are ya? Lucy's just like, yeah, we still got snow, but it's 80 degrees out. It's supposed to snow. It's supposed to rain tomorrow. It's supposed to snow on Sunday. Yep. We're working on cleaning up piles now that we got the dog doo-doo cleaned up. That stuff just right there was all covered in snow yesterday. So that's a new big pile that I got to move out. These are the small piles that I raked up there. And Lewis is out here investigating. Yeah. She's like, I don't know, Mom. I don't know what to think of all of this. We're going to build you an aviary out here hopefully this year. We'll see. We got to get the roof done. And the fascia and soffits first. We had hail damage last year and I still haven't gotten anyone to fix it on the roof and the gutters and all that stuff. So hopefully in the next month or so we'll get somebody out here to do that. Yippers. What do you think, Lewis? Yeah. Whew. Right? She's like, I want to go take flight. I feel the breeze under my wings. I feel the breeze under my wings. Lucy is sitting on the remainder of the snow piles. See Lucy way back there? Look at her. She's like, I'm trying to cool off. Isn't that hilarious? She goes, I'm just trying to cool off, Mom. If I sit on the last of the ice, just hoping it doesn't melt away. Silly girl. That's how far away she is from me right now. Blue skies. Yep. What do you think, Lewis? Huh? Should we come out here more often? Huh? She's like, I don't know, Mama. I don't know. We still gotta fix a couple spots in the fence that are extra holes on by the doors before we can let Izzy out here. I still don't know if I'm gonna let her run off leash or not because I'm more worried about the eagles and hawks than the holes in the fence. If I can get her to have a good recall and I won't just do it and let her run around. I'll just, unsupervised for sure. We'll see how it goes. Right, Lewis? Yeah. Mom's got a lot of work to do out here. We still got to finish our garden area. Maybe we'll get to that. What do you think, Lewis? Huh? We got to finish some things on the fences yet. We got to take down that structure that broke behind the shed. Got to plant some garden stuff. What do you think, Lewis? See, if you had an aviary out here, you could feel the breeze and the sun. Yeah, it'd be so much fun. Yep. I know. My goodness. You're such a pretty girl. Where's my pretty bird? Huh? She's mad because she has this on, but she doesn't understand. She gets to be outside with it. Well, she maybe probably wouldn't even fly away. She isn't trying, but if a gust of wind hits her, she could be gone, or a predator decided they seen her. Right, Lewis? She's like, uh-huh. You want to go up on the fence, huh? Do you? Hey, silly girl, what you doing up there? She's like, I'm hanging out on a fence, Mom. Trying to eat off this. She doesn't even appreciate the fact that she can, hey. She's like, I just want to take this off. She doesn't, but look at that, Lois. You want an almond? She can't have almonds too often, but I'm trying to reward her for coming out here. Here. Oh, she's like, screw that. No way, Mom. See the things you could be doing? Lois? She's like, I don't care. You got this thing on me. It's driving me nuts. Don't even want to appreciate that you're outside. It's like, nope. Not at all, Mom. Not at all. Come here. You gonna come here? She's like, I don't know. I don't know if I can, Mom. Come here. She's gonna be busy on that. All right, come on. There we go. Gotta distract her a little bit. Otherwise she'd be like, no, 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 no. See how long that is? So if she went flying, she could fly a little bit. Hey, hey. See, she wants to fly. But she doesn't know how. And she could fly away if she didn't have this on, and then that wouldn't be safe for her. Because we're not in Africa, in warm weather. Yep. And there she goes, onto the ground. Come here. There you go, working your wings. See, that's why you gotta have this on. Gotta work those wings. How was that? Did you like that? You work those wings, we can teach you to fly. But you gotta fly with Mama. Yeah. Lucy's over on another snowbank. Yeah. You wanna try again? You wanna try again? Oh, no, Lucy's coming. Can't try with Lucy. You gotta be nice, Lucy. You got dirt on your nose. Silly girl, I took it off. I took the dirt off your nose. Yes, I did. I took the dirt off your nose. Yes, I gotta pick that up so Lucy doesn't grab it. Right? She's like, yep. No, Lucy. She can't play fetch with Lewis. Sit. Good girl. You're a good girl. Go jump on a snowbank, huh? I gotta finish walking Lewis around. She's a good girl back there. Come on, Lucy. Whew. See, now I just got her focused. Yeah, see? Isn't that fun? Oh my goodness. So much fun, Lewis. You feel that breeze under your wings? Yeah. She's like, oh, Mom, it feels so good. It feels so good. This was going to be a short, ended up a long one, so I'm sorry it's vertical again. Whoops, I just stepped on a pine cone. I just stepped on a pine cone. Lucy's like, yep. We just having fun, Lewis? Walking around, enjoying the day. We hear a woodpecker. Yes. We hear a woodpecker somewhere in the trees. Now he's silent because we were talking. Yep. That sun feels good, doesn't it? We got to get back to making benches so we can use them this year. They're all under there. That's going to be our next project. Yep. After we get cleanup done and stuff planted, then we'll start on some benches. Yep. So excited. I planted those bulbs over there. I think there's some what did I plant over there? Some daffodils and some daylilies and what are the other ones, Lois? I'm trying to think. Tulips? Something else. As long as Lucy leaves them alone, right? She was trying to climb around in there. Yes, she was. She was being a stinker. The back of our fence held up really good this year with all the work we did last year and with the French drain that's in there. Yep. Right, Lewis? Yep. She's like, oh, I'm just having so much fun, Mom. I get to come out. Yeah. See, now you're starting to like it. Now it's starting to like it. So much joy walking around, exploring. Totally forgot what she's got on. Ooh-wee. Here comes a breeze again. Every time the breeze comes up, look at her. Every time the breeze comes up, Lewis wants to fly. Lewis wants to fly. You want to fly? She goes, yes, Mom, I want to fly. I want to fly. We should go kayaking together, Lewis. See, there's the kayak. Should we go for a kayak trip this year? Huh? Should we? That'd be fun. Maybe. We'll see. See, she's enjoying it. This is her first time actually being outside since last fall, besides just going back and transporting back and forth in the car. Yep. Feels pretty good, doesn't it, Louis? Yeah. Mom will have to take you inside and try to wrestle this thing off of you. Our goal is to get her this year to really enjoy putting this on. Because she does like being outside. She likes to experience and hear things and see things. Don't ya? See? There's a tree. There's where the birdies hang out. This is your domain. This is your domain. We're going to build you an aviary. Just got to save up. We got to get the house stuff fixed first. But we have a plan. Yeah. Even otherwise, I want to do like maybe a cement patio back here and put like an octagon screened in little thing, like porch thing, and then we could put another cage in there for her. So it's kind of like being outside with an aviary, but a little more safe. Keep the bugs off of her and keep her out of full sun, but allow her to feel the breeze. And then we can walk around out here, right? We just don't know yet. Just thinking, right? She's like, yep, Mom, we're just thinking. Woo! You feel that breeze? She heard it. She heard the breeze. She's like, oh, Mama. She's liking all the sounds. Sights and sounds are so exciting. See? Wasn't it worth coming up putting that harness on? I couldn't find your leg one. That one's a little easier to get on. But this one I feel more secure with. I couldn't find that one. I just found this one. So I thought, well, she wants to come out. We gotta do it. Ooh, that breeze feels good, huh, Louis? Does that feel good? Yes, Mom, it does. It's a good feeling. It's a good feeling. Yippers.